Welcome to your personal financial website. Our proprietary app, the GWS Portal, is customized specifically for you and your family to stay connected to your financial picture in a simplified digital experience. From this app, you have access to unique information and insights, account details, your portfolio dashboard, and a secure document vault, instant access to any of your devices, and more. Let's explore the site together. Across the top, you'll have quick access to other pages of your portal. Below, your accounts and total portfolio value are listed front and center. Next to your accounts, you'll also find your top holdings for quick reference. You can stay connected to your client care team at Gatewood Wealth Solutions with clickable links to phone numbers, emails, and office locations. You can also quickly contact your advisors while on the go. In addition to contacting us, we will send you communications and updates from your team, all directly within the timeline of the GWS Portal. The Portfolio Dashboard is where you can view additional details about your portfolio. The dashboard gives you a dynamic overview. You can click on the title of each card to give you even more detail. Our firm takes a very unique stand in the financial services industry regarding your account data. While most of our competitors shy away from sharing your data, we believe that full transparency on your portfolio's performance, benchmarks, advisory fees, and much more builds trust between our team and the clients we serve. Our clients always know the value our team is providing and where their portfolio stands. You can also use the drop-down menu to switch between the different cards quickly. All of this is completely customizable using the filters to select specific date ranges, portfolios, or accounts. Securely sharing and managing documents is key to working with your client care team. The Vault page is where you can keep track of all of your important financial, legal, and tax documents. From here, you can organize your documents into folders, drag and drop to upload new documents, and easily move files from one folder to another. The Vault is also an area where we can share documents with each other through the Shared Folders option. From the Reports folders, you have quick access to view the investment-focused reports created by the GWS Investment Committee. On the Net Worth page, you can see a detailed list of your accounts and entire balance sheet all in one place. You can expand each account to see your holdings and their individual values. The timeline highlights all of your interactions with us along with key decisions we've made together. From weekly market insights to updates on relevant financial planning trends and market forecasts, the timeline gives you a quick snapshot of how we are working together to pursue your financial goals. The GWS Portal keeps you connected to your financial life, your client care team, and everything else you need for managing your wealth. At GWS, we believe an integrated and enabling digital experience is key to keeping you on track. If you have any questions, please contact us. We are always here for you.